Hello everyone, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm fired up. I'm really fired up, and I very rarely get fired up, but I really am. So I went to Popeyes on November 8th, that's this past Friday. After hearing on the news that Popeyes will be selling their chicken sandwich again, the one that they ran out of a few months ago, and it's going to be permanently on the menu, and that they would have it now. So myself and a whole bunch of other people nationwide went running over to Popeyes to get this sandwich. So of course I want to see what all the heat is about. So this is my second time. So the first time they did that a couple of months ago, I went over myself, my grandson and his girlfriend, and of course we were only met with a sign on the door that said, "Sorry, we're out of the chicken sandwich." And we were disappointed, and of course once you're in there you go ahead and buy some chicken, because at that point they have you. You drove up there, you took your time out, and you're hungry, right? Alright, so we waited patiently, and we heard the new announcement that it would be at the Popeye stores on this past Sunday, okay? And I went up there 5 days later after the Sunday, and on November 8th, and of course to only be met with that same sign that, "I'm sorry, we're out of chicken." Well, I am not accepting that, and a lot of people are not accepting that, and there's been all kind of fights and violence in different states over these lines at Popeyes. And I said, why? What's really going on? So this is my analysis, okay? I think this is a promotional ploy to get people over to Popeyes. Because let's face it, okay? We're only talking about chicken here. It's not like Popeyes is going to go out and raise the chicken and you know, kill the chicken and butcher the chicken to get the chicken breast meat over there. Please, they're not. Okay, and whoever their supplier is, you can rest assured they have chicken. And you can rest assured they can take the bone out of the chicken. So really, this is really about an advertisement so that they can gain millions. Maybe they were really going out of business, or the sales was low or something like that. And so this was their way of gaining access to some finance. Okay, fine. You need to gain access to finance. I understand that. But you don't take all of us for a ride with you. Okay, now I can talk just about myself. I took my time out of my day to go up there twice. I spent my gas to go up there twice. Okay, my mouth was watering twice. Okay, and the disappointment. Okay, so my take on it is, so I asked up there, I says, well, why is it out of chicken this time? And so the lady said, oh, I don't know. I says, what do you mean you don't know? I says, we need some kind of answer. I said, because, you know, the first time I walked away calmly, didn't ask no questions, accepted the fact. And now 2 months later or more, 2 or more months later, you all claim you had this under control, and that's the same thing? No, it's a gimmick. And I think that people should boycott Popeyes, period. Don't go up there, even when they have the chicken sandwich available. Don't go up there. Let them suffer the consequences of this. So they wanted some upfront money. Okay, they got it. But now we're not going to be treated like that as paying customers. We're not going to be running up there to support Popeyes and they're not caring about their customers. And so I asked the lady in the store, I says, well, who can I talk to see if we can resolve this problem? And meanwhile, while I was talking to her, there was a line of people running in the door only to meet up with that same sign that's saying that they don't have the chicken sandwich. So she gave me a website and she says, this is who you talk to, corporate. I said, okay, and she gave me a website for me to go on the computer or the phone and issue my complaint with corporate. So I have that address here, and I want to give it out to all my YouTube family. And please, YouTube family, don't waste your time going up there. Don't support Popeyes because they're taking us all for a ride, and that's not nice, okay? So here's the website. It's www. That's 3 W's and a dot. Tell Popeyes, TELLPOPEYES.com. www.tellpopeyes.com. One more time, www.tellpopeyes.com. And you know, we need to write over there and let them know how we feel. And in addition to that, let them know that they didn't give us a rain check. They didn't give us a free piece of chicken. They didn't give us a soda. They didn't give us anything. Just got people all over the world fighting over this chicken. And like they don't have chicken breasts somewhere. Are you serious? I can go over to any supermarket and get boneless chicken breasts. So what is the real problem? Oh, is it the bun? So you're going to tell me that no bakery can make the bun? All it's made out of is flour and yeast and water. Stop it. This is just absolutely ridiculous. It's not like it's an imported cheese or something that they got to get it from some foreign country. It's just absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely. And Popeyes need to be ashamed of themselves. And I would like for you to comment on my channel and let me know how you feel about it and voice your opinion about it so that I can in return contact Popeyes again and let them know they can come on my channel and read your comments, because it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. And shame on us if we want to run up there for a third time and get duped, okay? Okay, you duped me once, you duped me twice, but you're not going to dupe me the third time. I'm going to keep my money in my pocket. I'll go home and fry some Grandma Ray chicken and just call it quits on Popeyes. Act like Popeyes don't even exist, period. Because they're not caring about people, and the people are fighting over in the lines over the chicken and all of that. They're not taking our well-being into consideration. They're just really getting the money one way or the other, and that's it. So that's what I came on here to say, so that you can join in with me, and we're gonna boycott and do not go to Popeyes, because Popeyes is not treating us right. And if you pay to get treated wrong, then you'll continuously get treated wrong. And if you want to be treated with respect, then you have to demand the respect. And the way you demand the respect is you don't take your money up there and buy something else. You just don't even go up there, period. And when they get the sandwich in, still don't go up there, because, you know, what's the point? The point is you might get duped again, okay? There's other places out there that have chicken, and you can cook chicken at home yourself, okay? All right, that's the message I have for Popeyes. Ooh, I am really fired up over this. Let me give you the website the last time so that you can write it down, okay? It's www.tellpopeyes.com, okay? Please write and tell them, okay? All right, so give this a thumb up if you're in agreement with me. Please do me a favor, please share this video with everyone so everyone can boycott Popeyes, because Popeyes is not right, and we love them, but now we have to show them tough love, okay? All right, check out my links below. Share the video, subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And I appreciate you hanging around and listening to me on Popeyes failure. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.